Days in my life as a full-time content creator living in Lagos. A scam. Which Lagos? Which Lagos? Which Lagos are you living? Which Lagos? Tell me the place. Show me the place. It is Asaba. Asaba. Ahaba. That is where we are all living. Days in my life as a full-time most of you are not even any full-time content creator anything. You're just writing it. Which days in your life that you're full-time content creator anything? Days in your life as a full-time days in my life as a full-time content creator. Who dash you? No be 9 to 5 they do by the side. Are you whining me? Are you whining me? It's 9 to 5. Tell them 9 to 5. That's your that content creating now. Part-time, you're part-time in it. Some people are doing it. You are just asking it. You're just asking. You come like this. Days in my life as a content creator living in Lagos. Most of us are not living in Lagos. Now Lagos now is now this thing. Who tell you say make you not enter Lagos? Who told you to be in Asaba and you know enter Lagos? Most of you is Bayelsa. You are staying. Bayelsa. Worry. You are staying. Even speaking about Worry safe, there's some people say that even in Worry safe that must you be in Lagos for you to do days in my life as a full-time creator living. Must you be in Lagos? It must not be in Lagos. You can be in Asaba. You can be in Warri. You can be in Ozoro. You can be in Abraka University. Where else can you be again? You can be in Onisha. Days in my life as a full-time creator living in Onisha. Oh, juicy. Eh? Being full-time. Okay. Days in my life. What do? We craft out title. We are crafting titles. See, look at my YouTube book like this. I've been crafting out titles since Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We have been crafting title. I am summarizing all the days in my life like this for you. Look at it. This is 1 days in my life. What have I been doing again? Days in my life as a full-time content creator. We have been thinking. And now we have been thinking about content. We have been looking at analytics like days in our life as a full-time content. We have been looking at the analytics of what are people watching, how are things working. We have been okay, should we do short today? Should we not do short today? How are we going to ask? Should we follow the trend? Should we not follow the trend? What are we going to be doing? We have our brain on our work. It's hot. It's hot. We have been doing things. Days in our days in our life as a full-time content. Our ink has been finishing. Look at it. Ink has been finishing. Page has been finishing. I've been using microphone. Let me show you microphone. We have been charging our microphone. Days as a full-time. No lights. When is no light, transformer go spoil. Transformer spoils. When was it? There was no lights 2 days ago now. It was yesterday midnight they bought lights. Transformer spoils. Like these days in my life. Oh more. Our storage don't full. Our storage has full to the brim. So can it be as hard as this? It's not the same thing. It's days in my life as a full-time content creator living in Lagos. Strike it. Asaba. What else have we been doing again? We have been sleeping. Days in our life. Have you not been sleeping? We have been sleeping. We have been eating. Because why? We cannot come and kill ourselves. After we think finish like this, next day we see what we have eaten. We just feel like no. Rubbish. Now, do you know why I signed up and doing all these things that I'm not doing vlog? Because I was talking to my friend Iveti, sweetheart. And I just telling her my frustration like this. I just told her everything I want to do. And I listened to it. And I said that I'm going to do it. Days in my life. As a full-time content creator. What have you been doing days in your life as a full-time content creator? We've been doing a lot of things. Think. We have been charging. Our phone has been full. Our phone has been what? Overheating. We have been watching people's content and be daydreaming. Yes. Have you not been watching people's content? Oh God, I wish my content would just be like this. So I've been watching people's content. What else again? I'll be saying, Mommy, thank ma. Daddy, thank ma. I'll just for putting roof all over our head. Full time content creator. We always started cashing out. So, days in my life. Tell you I did not show you. Do you not see my the days? I've told you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sunday, my day in my life as I chop. I woke up with low views like this. As I woke up with low views like this, boom! I said let me do content, do video. I recorded video like this today. I deleted everything. Why? Because as I was editing it, I was done edit. I cannot save it because there's no space. There's no space. This is my life as a full-time content creator. How hard can it be? It's not hard. Subscribe. Subscribe for more juicy, amebo, stand-up comedy, vlog related content.